Welcome back to the channel Beat the Index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average progressed 1.8% or 596.40 points. The tech-weighty Nasdaq Composite completed at 13,752.02, flooding 1.6% or 219.56 points because of the solid presentation of huge-cap innovation stocks. U.S. benchmark, the WTI crude, settled at $110.60 a barrel, denoting the most noteworthy for a front-month contract since May 2011. French organization Thales yearly center benefits rise 32%. New orders of €19.9 billion exceeded deals, and Thales said it anticipated that this should reoccur in 2022. 300 French newspapers and Google have arrived at another arrangement in regards to the issue of content distributing privileges, the two players said on Thursday. German Merck expects solid income development this year as its lab gear division benefits from drug makers' endeavors to investigate new biotechnologies, even as request connected with COVID-19 has likely arrived at its pinnacle. The German territory of Brandenburg has called a news meeting for Friday at which it will report its choice on endorsement for the arranged Tesla gigafactory close to Berlin. The Moscow part of a Chinese state bank has seen a flood in inquiries from Russian firms needing to open new records, an individual acquainted with the matter said, as the country's organizations battle with worldwide ascents after its intrusion of Ukraine. Snowflake stock plunged 22% in pre-market exchanging Thursday after its projection of a 65 to 67% development in yearly item income left the street disinterested. Organization Diageo, the creator of Smirnoff vodka and Guinness, has stopped products to Ukraine and Russia. Splunk Incorporated stock exchange 2.5% higher in pre-market Thursday after the organization astonished the street with a change to benefit and followed that up with a conjecture for income development, higher than the year before. English satellite organization OneWeb said on Thursday it was suspending all send-offs from Russia's Baikonur cosmodrome in Kazakhstan after Moscow's space office requested ensures that its innovation wouldn't be utilized for military purposes. Japan Airlines Company Limited and ANA Holdings Incorporated dropped all trips to and from Europe on Thursday and dropped or rerouted trips on Friday also, referring to somewhere safe and secure worries following Russia's attack of Ukraine. The Russian resources of Norway's $1.3 trillion abundance store, the world's biggest, have become useless following Russia's attack of Ukraine, and selling them as educated by the public authority will take time, the asset's CEO said on Thursday. British Culture Minister said she had asked web-based media organisation Tik Tok and Facebook parent organisation Meta Platforms, assuming they could forestall admittance to Russian state-possessed telecom company RT in Britain. Russia's greatest carmaker, Avtovaz, will stop its Telyady and Izhevsk plants on Saturday and from March 9 to 11 as it wrestles with an emergency in provisions of electronic parts, the organisation said on Thursday. Twitter Incorporated is growing its publicly supported fact-checking program by making notes on possibly deceptive tweets noticeable to more individuals on Twitter, the organization said in a blog entry on Thursday. The long-range interpersonal communication site sent off the venture called Birdwatch last year as a clever test that requested that Twitter clients distinguish misdirecting tweets and compose notes to give data exposing the substance, which would then be attached to the first tweet. Ferrari doesn't see any effect on its inventory network as a result of Russia's attack of Ukraine, a representative for the Italian extravagance carmaker told Reuters on Thursday. Great Britain will prohibit Russian organizations from the multi-billion-dollar avionics and space protection market in London. IKEA, the world's greatest furniture brand, is shutting down its stores in Russia and stopping all obtaining in the nation and partner Belarus, joining the rush of Western firms controlling business with Russia after its attack of Ukraine. Jack Daniel's creator Brown-Forman Corp said on Thursday it has stopped employing for its own dissemination business in Russia following the country's intrusion of Ukraine. Nike Incorporated said on Thursday it would briefly shut down the entirety of its stores in Russia, joining a huge number of Western brands that have suspended their organizations in the nation following Moscow's attack of Ukraine. Boeing Company will rigorously stick to the commodity controls and limitations that have been declared overseeing work in Russia, the U.S. plane maker's chief executive said on Thursday. Let's subscribe our channel and learn previous videos. See you later.